Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Akram Iman. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. KCR to take aerial survey of Ranchkonda Hills today. K. Tarakara Rama Rao visits Dubai Smart City. Telugu music composer Chakri dies of heart attack. Celebrities condole his death. Tirupati TDP MLA Venkataraman dies in Chennai. Sydney's KFC to Australia police storm building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi describes Sydney terror attack as disturbing. Telangana Chief Minister, that is Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, will undertake an aerial survey of Ranchkonda Hills spread in Nalgonda, Rangareddy, Mahbubnagar district on area covering hillocks, ancient forts and temples. According to the reports and officials, he will conduct a survey along with Minister G. Jagdish Reddy and B. Mahendra Reddy, that is Mr. Chief Secretary of Rajiv Sharma and others. It's known whether the helicopter carrying the Chief Minister and other will make him landing on any place. Officials did not divulge or given details on the visit. However, the police have conducted combined operation in Ranchkonda forest as precautionary measures. Staff reporters at that is Director Collector T. Chiranjevulu said that nearby the aerial survey but had no communication among the Chief Minister, studying the feasibility of establishing an industry here. It will be a generalized survey of government lands in Ranchkonda, he said. The Chief Minister would be surveying 32,000 acres of forest areas in Ranchkonda, of which 14,000 acres is located at Chodapula and Samas Narayanpal mandals in Nalgonda, while the rest in Rangareddy district. Sources also gave the information the fire department told news as acres of total land hills in Tehran, that is 2,240 acres registered land, where 2,000 acres assigned to land and 600 acres seeding land. Chief Minister aerial survey assumes significant as many historians, local and environmentalists have been demanding the government to develop Ranchkonda forest as a tourist hub. Also, the tourism department has sent a proposal with rupees 8 crores to develop Ranchkonda area. Telangana IT Minister, that is K. Tarakara Rama Rao, on Sunday visited Smart Cities, Dubai, and interacted with the Chief Executive Official of Abdul Latif Al Mullah and its Managing Directors, that is Badu George. During the interaction, the possibility of developing a smart city in Hyderabad as a part of information technology, that is information and investment in the regions of ITIR, was discussed. A release is issued by the Telangana government said. Mullah has decided to visit Hyderabad within a week for follow-up discussion. Special Chief Secretary Industries, that is K. Pradeep Chandra, Commissioner of Industries, Jayash Ranjan, and representative of clear part of KTR delegation. Smart City Dubai has been successfully replicated in Malta, in Europe, in India. The Kerala state government has entered into a partnership with the Smart City Dubai for developing a similar model spread over 250 acres in Kochi. Smart City Dubai will be investing rupees 4,000 crores over a period of 8 years in Kochi. According to the report, Chakri was suffering from obesity-related ailments. He did not respond when his wife tried to wake him up around 6:30 a.m. on Monday. Growing suspicion, she took him to the Apollo Hospital in Jubilee Hills, where doctors tried to revive him, but they were unsuccessful. He was pronounced dead at around 7:45 a.m. Born in 1974 in Mahabubnagar, Telangana, Chakri began his film career as music director with Puri Jagannath Barchi, which hit the screen in 2000. Since then, he was composed songs for around 85 films. His popular albums include Amma Nana O Tamila Ammai, Shivaya Ammai, that is Idiot, Deshmardu, Devdasu, Maska, Simara, among others. He had last composed songs from the recently released Erebus, starring Vishnu Manchu and Dasari Narayana Rao. Some of the films for which he was composed songs are yet to make it to the screen. Chakri has won the state government's Nandi Award from Balakrishna Sima. Also received the Filmfare Award for Best Male Playback Singer Telugu for Satyam 2003. The composer is survived by wife Sarvani and his children. TDP sitting MLA from Tirupati M. Venkataraman died on Monday in Chennai. He was 67. Venkataraman, who had been suffering from health issues, passed away in a private hospital in a wee hours. Venkataraman was suffering from heart-related ailments. He had a bypass surgery on Sunday, that is December 14th, but it seemed to have failed. He is survived by his wife and 2 daughters. Mr. Venkataraman jumped over from the Congress only recently, but managed to get TDP's assembly ticket. He had replaced TDP's strong contender, that is Chadwada Krishnamurthy, and bagged the seat. Due to this, Chandrababu had promised to make Chadwala as the TDP chairman and keep his promise recently. Mr. Venkataraman was well known and also served as TUDA chairman. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, Nandamuri Balakrishna, Nara Lokesh, several TDP leaders and Congress PCC Chief Minister Raghuveer Raji expressed deep condolences to the bereaved family. After losing Nandigama MLA due to ill health, this is the second setback for TDP. Hurriyan police have stormed a cafe in Sydney and assailed by a gunman identified as Iranian refugee who took dozens of people hostage. Paramedics carrying stretchers reached towards the cafe moments after volleys of loud bangs and flashes. Several people appear to have been injured, while the fate of the gunman is not yet known. Central Sydney, that is, has been in lockdown since the gunman seized the hostage early on Monday morning. Early in the lockdown, since the gunman seized hostage, were forced to hold up a black Islamic banner at the window. Cafe located in Martin Place, a busy shopping area in Sydney's hub of nature. Prime Minister Tony Abbott said it was profoundly shocking. People are being held hostage by an armed person claiming political motivation. As armed bags were held, several hostages ran to safely with their hands in the air, at which there was sustained heavy gunfire. Police were seen carrying on women from the scene of alarm bell sounded. Emergency aid were administered to others. He suspect 49-year-old man Harrison Moniz received political asylum in Australia in 1996 and was on bail facing a number of charges. He was described by his former lawyer as an isolated figure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday described the ongoing hostage of situation in cities as disturbing, such as inhuman and deeply unfortunate. I pray for everyone's safety, Modi tweeted. The hostage, the situation in Australia, bringing focus to growing ISI threat in the country, with New Delhi will be monitoring closely in the week of the newly agreed security framework between the two countries that was signed last month. According to the initial reports, armed men are holding up to 50 people hostage at a cafe in Martin Place in Sydney. The reports that 2 gunmen have taken hostage as the popular Lintan chocolate shop, which has several entrances. This incident comes close on the heels of Australian government accusing ISIS of using foreign fighters as cannon fodder. As the number of Australians killed while fighting alongside incidents in Syria and Iraq rose to 20. The Australian government estimates at least 70 Australians are fighting with the terrorist group in Iraq and Syria. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex for today stands at 27,319.56 with minus 0.11%, whereas Nifty for today stands with 8,219.60 with minus 0.05% as decline. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rates, that is 15th of December, Monday, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 25,870. Whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 27,360. Silver rates for today for 10 grams, rupees 400. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 5 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum 29 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum 28 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius and maximum 31 degrees Celsius. Mahbubnagar minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's minimum temperature of Khammam district stand with 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 33 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. KCR to take aerial survey of Branch Konda Hills today. Key Tarakara Rama Rao visits Dubai Smart City. Telugu music composer Chakri dies of heart attack as celebrities condole his death. Tirupati TDP MLA Venkataraman dies in Chennai. Sydney's KFC to Australia police storm building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi describes Sydney terror attack as disturbing. That's all in newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is your host Sharif Ikram Yamani. Sign off for the day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.